response to escalating security threats from unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), Latvia is taking proactive steps to bolster its defense systems. A key component of these efforts is the partnership with Estonian-based Frankenburg Technologies, a company committed to developing and delivering the innovative Markai counter-UAV missile. Designed as a lightweight and cost-effective solution, this missile is part of a broader initiative to enhance Latvia's military capabilities, particularly in dealing with the increasing use of UAVs in modern warfare. The Markai missile offers several advantages, with a design that focuses on affordability and high-volume production. This makes it a viable option for tackling the rising number of low-cost UAVs, which have become a significant concern on the battlefield. Utilizing artificial intelligence for automated target identification and engagement, the missile promises improved accuracy and efficiency in countering drone threats. As part of the agreement, Frankenburg Technologies plans to provide Latvia's national armed forces with the necessary systems for testing, aiming to integrate these missiles into the nation's defense strategy. In conjunction with Frankenburg Technologies, Latvia's Ministry of Defense has signed multiple research and development contracts to strengthen its counter-drone capabilities. These include collaborations with Latvian companies like Origin Robotics and SAF Tehnika JSC, ensuring a comprehensive approach to addressing UAV threats. The projects cover a range of technologies, from automated drone interceptors and electronic warfare systems to advanced missile development. Additionally, discussions are underway to adapt existing weapon systems for automated anti-drone operations, further enhancing Latvia's defense posture. Founded in 2024, Frankenburg Technologies specializes in developing mass-produced, affordable missile systems. The company's Markai missile is designed to intercept UAVs, such as the Iranian-made Shahid-131 and Shahid-136 drones, which have been used in attacks against Ukrainian infrastructure. With a compact design of approximately 0.5 meters in length, the Markai missile offers a cost-effective alternative to larger systems like the FIM-92 Stinger. Despite its smaller size, it remains highly effective, with an estimated range of 2 kilometers and a maximum altitude of 1 kilometer. One of the unique features of the Markai missile is its AI-driven situational awareness platform, which automates the process of identifying and engaging targets. This technology allows the missile to respond to threats with minimal human intervention, making it an essential tool in modern warfare. As Frankenburg Technologies ramps up production, the company plans to manufacture dozens of units per week, with plans to scale production to hundreds of missiles per week by late 2025. Latvia's growing focus on counter-UAV technology is not limited to the Markai missile. In November 2024, the country entered into a collaboration with Riga Technical University, RTU, to advance missile technology and strengthen local expertise in the field. RTU's experience in rocket development and its students' involvement in high-powered rocket projects under the guidance of renowned rocket designer Andres Pukaitis provide a solid foundation for this partnership. As part of the agreement, Frankenburg Technologies will also support education in science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics (STEAM), fostering the next generation of experts in missile and aerospace technologies. Latvia's commitment to improving its air defense systems extends beyond missile technology. In late 2023, the Ministry of Defense signed a significant contract with German defense contractor Diehl Defense for the acquisition of the Iris-T medium-range air defense system. This €600 million deal marks a crucial step in filling gaps in Latvia's defense capabilities, providing a more comprehensive defense network that can address both short-range and medium-range threats. Moreover, Latvia has pledged to allocate at least 4% of its GDP to defense spending in the coming years, further underscoring its dedication to safeguarding its security interests in an increasingly unstable geopolitical environment. In addition to its focus on missile defense systems, Latvia has made strides in drone technology development. The formation of the Drone Coalition with the United Kingdom in early 2024 highlights Latvia's determination to enhance its UAV capabilities. This initiative has already delivered thousands of drones to Ukraine and secured significant financial support from member states. Domestically, Latvia has allocated €20 million for the development of counter-UAV technology, a reflection of its proactive stance on military modernization. Latvia's response to rising UAV threats, particularly in light of recent drone incursions near critical infrastructure like Riga International Airport, emphasizes the country's commitment to protecting its sovereignty and national security. The combination of innovative missile technologies, strategic international partnerships, and increased defense spending represents a comprehensive approach to tackling modern security challenges. Through these efforts, Latvia aims to strengthen its defense systems and ensure the safety of its airspace in the face of evolving threats.